It could be any main street in any downtown in any community in America. When it comes to medical debt in this country, there is hardly a zip code or area code not impacted.
Everyone right now, we're at a crossroads when it comes to affordability, just broadly speaking.
Willie Burnley Jr. knows that full well. He's a city councilor in Somerville, Massachusetts.
The whole gamut of people's lives are lived at the local level.
Now, this city just outside of Boston, home to 79,000 people, is about to do something for their residents' medical debt.
We know that medical debt is a social determinant of health.
Councilman Burnley is leading a legislative charge to help pay off medical debt, helping to pass a resolution that would spend $200,000 of the city's $77 million in funding from the American Rescue Plan Act.
What do you hope this does for people, for residents?
I hope it makes it easier to live here. I hope that they feel relieved, less stressed.
Because of the way medical debt is bought and sold by debt collectors, that $200,000 might wipe out as much as $4.3 million in medical debt for Somerville residents. As many as 5,000 residents could benefit from the plan.
It allows us to say, what can we be doing to help everyday people directly? And quite frankly, $200,000, we could afford to do that every year. Yeah. We could be a community that doesn't have medical debt anymore.
As of early 2022, 6% of U.S. adults, that's nearly 16 million people, owed more than $1,000 in medical debt. It's why, in large part, many local politicians are trying to get creative about the problem.
These last few years specifically, there's kind of been like a national awakening, I think, to the crisis of medical debt.
Daniel Lempert is with the nonprofit RIP Medical Debt. They've been contacted by Somerville to help with their payoff efforts, outside the box thinking that many communities are already doing.
We want people to know, this isn't a moral failing because you got sick, because you have a chronic illness, because you were in an accident.
Cook County, Illinois is already deploying the initiative. It's the county that encompasses the city of Chicago. The county is using $12 million in American Rescue Plan funds to wipe out $25 million worth of debt for more than 44,000 residents who live in Cook County zip codes. According to the White House, Toledo, Ohio, New Orleans, and Pittsburgh are also using American Rescue Plan funding to wipe out medical debt for residents.
I think municipalities are attracted to this kind of thinking outside of the box because they are listening to their constituents and they're seeing that this is an issue that really hurts people.
We haven't officially started this program yet, so there's contracts that need to be signed.
Back in Somerville, they are hoping to officially start paying off medical debt in the next few months and have already been contacted by other communities looking to do the same. Chris Conti, Scripps News, Somerville, Massachusetts.